I'm opening up the brand new Hot Wheels Spring Circuit 5-car set. I got all 5. These are pretty easy to find. How's it going, guys? It's Marky. Let's open them up. These are in stores already on time for Easter, and they bring so many that you can find them pretty easily. They're not that hard to find. You can pick them up sometimes at the supermarket, at Walmart, Target. It all depends. They might show up in other stores as well. So cool. They have the number 23 for 2023, so it's a 2023 set. And this one is diecast on top and the plastic base. This one's a beautiful 65 Ford Mustang convertible. The name is right there on the bottom of the card. The card is beautiful as well. Look, there's the Mustang right there. These are so nice. So I'm happy to get these and be able to show them today to you. They are so cool. So here's a Mustang, and here's a Volkswagen Caddy. Nice little pickup truck. This Caddy, I have it in a few different colors and other sets or liveries, and they are so cool. Caddy looks awesome. Brings a little skateboard in the back there. This one looks great. There's a 23, Spring 23. There's the bunny rabbit with the Hot Wheels logo right under him. The white wheels. So awesome. On the back of the card, you can see all 5 sets, or not sets, but cars that you can get in the set. 69 Camaro. Let me show you. So there's the checklist right there. All 5. Pretty nice. Here's the nice convertible 69 Camaro. We do have this casting as well in different colors from other whatever you call those. Oh my God, look at this. Why does this always happen to me? I don't realize that I get a car that's damaged. Look at that. I'm gonna have to pick up another one. Spring Circuit number 23. Oh my God, it's got bullet holes. Don't hate on my purple car shooting at my car. He's got the yellow wheels, nice checkered flag on the side. There's the bunny rabbit and number 23 in the middle. Spring Circuit, beautiful Hot Wheels. A strange color combination, but that's what they do. They give you the Easter colors. Bunny rabbit comes with the Easter colors every year with a nice Spring Circuit set, which is really cool that they do these. Always love the special cards that they come with, and really nice cars. This set is really cool. All the cars are like realistic, real life cars. Here's a 52 Chevy pickup truck. It looks awesome on the card, but let's get him out. And even better when you get him out of the package. So nice. The 52 Chevy pickup truck. Here's the back. Side view. I like these, look like lightning bolts, right? Here too. Pretty nice. It's got an orange base, yellow bottom, and some pink, white, and purple designs on the side. Purple windshield, by the way. Purple windshield on this one. Very, very nice. Gotta love it, gotta love it. See how he looks next to the Caddy. There we go. Couple of pickup trucks. Looking so cool. Love it. The orange chrome on the wheels. This one has the white wheels with the double spokes. Pretty nice. Couple of really nice trucks. Look at that, the Volkswagen badge in front. Very cool. Either of these two come with the mirrors on the side. Those are the little gas tank covers right there. Oh no, those might be like side mounts, I don't know. Not sure. Should have not said that. This might be the gas access right here. I'm not sure. Could it be back here? Who's familiar with the 52 pickup? I don't know. That'd be something cool to find out. And then we have one more, which is the 2017 Jeep Wrangler in white. With the orange windshield. We do have a turquoise or kind of like a blue-green base. 2017 Jeep Wrangler. Got the purple Purple muffler back here, and then the spare tire in purple. Very nice. Spring 2023. Little orange chrome on this one as well, on the wheels. But very cool. This one does have like a side view mirror there. Another one over here, I think. And it looks like maybe part of that exhaust. And I thought this was part of the exhaust, but no, maybe that's, I don't know, golf clubs? Looks like maybe golf clubs. What is that? And let me know if you know what this is, because I'm not sure. Pretty nice Jeep Wrangler. Oh, this one has the windshield wipers molded in the diecast. So this is the new 2023 set, and let's set them up right here in front. Let me lower the camera and like that we can take a look at the other ones I have here. The Volkswagen and the Mustang. Can't believe my Camaro's all shot up. I'm gonna have to do something about that. All right, so if we go back to last year, here's last year's set. Spring circuit. Also a 5-car set, where you can find 5 and just buy the ones you like or buy them all. 2017 Camaro Z01, which is really nice. And then we also got, in 2022, we got the convertible Corvette. And this one is a C7 Z06. What a beauty, right? So it's a different color purple than the new Camaro. Not the same purple. Yeah, a little different in color. And then we got, oh man, look at this. Spring of 2022, they gave us a fantasy car, the D Muscle. So, yeah, don't like when they give us fantasy cars in these sets, but yeah, we got a fantasy car. It's not too ugly. And we also got the Maverick for 2022 last year. Custom Ford Maverick. Spring circuit number 22 on the side. There's the bunny. Very cool. Let me know if you collect these every year or did you just start collecting these now? And then the last one in the set for last year.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
You can open up in the back. 2-seater. And another fantasy, the Sky Dome. And there's the Sky Dome right there. It's pretty nice. It's got some nice colors to it. Spring of 2022. And I also have the set for 2021. The nice Dodge 1970 Challenger. Dodge Challenger. Like the white ring on the wheel there. Really cool colors. We got the darker green and then a blue. Purple scoop up here, purple interior. Pretty cool. Did you get this Dodge from 2021? A couple years back. You got that one. There's 2022, 2021, and here's 2023. Look at that. So cool. And the Ford, is it Shelby? Ford Mustang. Oh, there's no name on this one. Looks like a fastback, I think.
Perfect.
Spring 2021. Oh no, the GT500. There it is. Ford GT500. Nice, man. Look at the gold wheels. Really cool blue with the orange interior. We have orange windshield, or maybe it looks like could be yellow. Might be the yellow. And then those nice colors on the side. Beautiful. Nice grille in front in chrome. There's the base again in bright chrome. Pipes on the back. Beautiful Mustang, right? From the 2021 set. Let's put him there. Or back here. And check this out, the BMW. Wow. Pretty nice. This one does have the mirrors on the side, a little antenna on top. You can see there are the mirrors. The black and the blue stripes in front. Number 21 in black. Here's the BMW badge. Oh, cool. A checkered flag on the side. I like that. Chrome blue on the wheels. 2016 BMW M2. And a plain white in the front. Same thing back here. 4 pipes showing back here. This is a pretty nice BMW. I love it. And then we also have, let's see, Spring 2021. Looks like a Trans Am. 77 Pontiac Firebird TA Trans Am. It's got the T-tops. It does say Trans Am right there. I hardly see it, but it's right there in the front. Can barely make it out. Number 21 back here for 2021. Very cool. This one has the gold wheels, orange with yellow interior and green windshield. Nice green bird in the front. Man, it looks great. It's got that scoop. Really nice Hot Wheels. Really nice. Very cool. And also for 2021 we have the Fairlady. Nissan Fairlady Z. This one also has an orange and black wheel. Blue and orange up here on top. Nice colors on the tampo and on the sides with the 21 in white in that blue rectangle. Very nice. It's got the bunny rabbit, black grill in the back, a little black bumper here in the front. So nice. Look at that. Kind of looks like a Z, right? Like a Z right there. Nice stripes coming all around. Number 21 on the front again. Got the big wing back here. Very nice. One pipe showing on the back. Right there. Beautiful. Nice looking Z. This Fairlady. Very nice. Very nice. Beautiful. What a cool bunch of spring circuit cars. So let's put the new ones. Let's set the new ones up here like this. Here's the Caddy, Jeep Wrangler, 52 Chevy pickup right there. And next to them we'll put the 2021, set them up right next to them. And the Firebird at the end. Then on this side we might not be able to see all of them. To get them all in there. There's the 2022 Maverick, 2022 Camaro Z01. Hey, this is a 2021. What's going on here? Did I mix them up? 2021? Oh no. This one goes in here. There we go. Now we have 5 on that side. And then we have the Corvette. Very nice. And the 2 fantasy cars right there. So they're all right there. Beautiful. And we can see the whole set. Totally awesome. Beautiful. I love the set. I love the cards this year. They look so cool. Let's take a look at the artwork real quick. Oh, they each have their numbers, 4 of 5, 2 of 5, 1 of 5, whatever, 5 of 5. So cool. And you see all the spring flowers. I love it that they have the name right underneath. That's so cool for each car. So each card comes with the name of the actual car on there. So that's cool, even though it has the same picture on each one. They don't actually match each car except for if you get the Wrangler or the Mustang, you'll have the picture. But the others will not look like that. They'll have the same Wrangler and Mustang up there. But there's the 5, and the copyright says 2021, which is really strange. 2023. But what a cool set, man. Gotta love these. You gotta love them. You gotta love them. So this is how he looks again on the card when you get him. 65 Ford Mustang convertible. That looks pretty nice. Loving them, loving them, loving them. So great that I could find them all at once. Sometimes I've had to go back to maybe find the rest. I'll find one or two and then try to get the rest. Because sometimes they come, just the first batch might get sold out real quick, the first batch, you know. But then when you come back, everybody's gotten the ones they needed, and then you'll be able to get them. But these, like I said, these appear in supermarkets, they appear in drugstores, all over the place. So you never know when you're gonna find them. They're so cool, and they look great on the card. If you're not gonna open the card, look how cool they look. They look so awesome on the card. Really nice. So I love that. Love the new cards for this year. And here's the Volkswagen card. Let's put the Volkswagen Caddy in there. And you can tell it's Volkswagen. See the front. Very nice. So cool. Really awesome. And let's put the Wrangler back in his pack. His blister pack. Let's get him in there. This is a big one. This one's so much bigger. The Jeep Wrangler. Very cool. Nice. What a cool set. Let's put him up there. You can see them all. That one up there. Let's get this one up here. And the next one. And then maybe we can set the other cars. Let's see. Let's put them right here. That's the middle in there. Awesome. Now I got 3 complete sets. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this one. I'll see you in the next video.